In this video, I'll guide you through how to see the player count of any game on Steam. Whether you're curious about how many people are currently enjoying a popular title, or you want to check out the activity on a game you're thinking about buying, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it using Steam's built-in features. Understanding player counts can give you an insight into a game's popularity and longevity, which can be useful when deciding whether to join in or move on to something else. First, let's get started by opening the Steam app on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, you'll need to download and install it from the Steam website. Once you have the app open, make sure you're logged into your account. This is important because some features might not be fully accessible if you're not logged in. Once you're in, take a look at the top of the app where you'll find various tabs that help you navigate through the different sections of Steam. Next, you'll want to hover your mouse over the Store tab. This tab is located in the top left corner of the Steam app interface. By hovering over it, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. This menu gives you quick access to a variety of options within the Steam Store, which is where we'll find the information we're looking for. Now, from the drop-down menu under the Store tab, click on Charts. The Charts section is where Steam compiles various lists and data about games, including sales and player numbers. It's a great resource for seeing what's currently trending and which games are being played by the most people. Once you're in the Charts section, go ahead and click on Most Played. This is where Steam displays a list of games ranked by the number of current players. It's updated regularly, so you're always getting the most recent data available. Clicking on Most Played will give you a snapshot of which games are currently seeing the most activity, which is a great indicator of a game's current popularity and community engagement. Finally, you'll be able to see the current player count for each game listed. This information is typically shown alongside the game title and can give you an immediate sense of how active the game is. The player count is a valuable piece of information if you're considering joining a new game, as it can indicate not only popularity, but also the potential for matchmaking success and community events. And there you have it. You now know how to quickly and easily check the player count for any game on Steam using their built-in tools. This method gives you a clear view into which games are currently capturing the most attention from players around the world. Whether you're using this information to make a purchase decision or just to satisfy your curiosity, understanding player counts can enhance your gaming experience and help you stay informed about trends in the gaming community. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.